Welcome, class. Today our session title is Week 5, Session 17, Ionic Bonding and Formula Units. We will move slowly and make the chemistry understandable. Your goal is to explain ionic bonding, lattice structure, and formula unit ratios. Listen for these key terms: ionic bond, cation, anion, lattice, formula unit. First, keep the three chemistry levels together. Ionic bonding is attraction between oppositely charged ions. It is not a single stick between two atoms. It is a repeating lattice of positive and negative ions. Ionic formulas show the simplest whole number ratio of ions in the lattice, not a separate molecule. When you feel stuck, ask, what did I observe? What are the particles doing? And what symbol or calculation represents it? The core model is this: balance total positive and negative charge to write ionic formulas. Then connect the formula to the lattice ratio. Do not rush to an answer. Build the model first. Then let the model guide the calculation or explanation. Now let's work an example. Writing formula units. Magnesium nitride contains Mg2+ and N3-. The smallest whole number charge balance is 3 Mg2+ ions for +6 and 2 N3- ions for -6. The formula is Mg3N2. This does not mean one isolated molecule with 5 atoms. It means the lattice has a 3:2 ratio of magnesium ions to nitride ions. Notice how the answer comes from evidence and reasoning, not from guessing. Here is a second example. Ionic compounds often have high melting points because strong attractions extend throughout the lattice. They may conduct electricity when molten or dissolved because ions can move. But solid ionic crystals do not conduct well because ions are locked in place. Now answer this self-check. What is the formula for magnesium chloride? A strong answer should include NgCl2. Hint: Mg2+ needs 2 Cl- ions to balance charge. Before you leave, practice actively. Task 1. Write formulas for calcium oxide, aluminum chloride, and sodium sulfide. Task 2. Explain why solid sodium chloride does not conduct electricity well. Task 3. Describe what a formula unit means. At the end of your study, write one sentence beginning, "The chemistry idea I must remember is." For more practice and exam preparation, visit www.bridgetoexam.com.